Are you looking for the best dash cam? In this video, we will break down the top dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video detailing the best dash cam, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out. Starting off at number 1, we have the Rexing V1. When comparing it to the pretty popular Falcon Zero Touch Pro, the Rexing V1 stands out in terms of features, such as external storage addition and the number of lenses. But if you're comparing it in terms of design and style, the Falcon beats out the Rexing V1. This is not to say the Rexing V1 is boring, far from it in fact. Right from the very first glimpse, we were pretty blown away by its unique design. And to that, the specifications come with it, and you've got a solid and well-rounded dash cam to work with. 170-degree 6-layer lens with wide dynamic range technology helps to capture full HD 1080p videos, resulting in a super detailed and crisp image. This makes it super easy for you to read license plates, a company name on a roadside banner, or a sign on a car, which can be pretty useful in the event of an accident should you need evidence to prove your case. For those wondering about a loop recording feature, yes, we can confirm that the camera does support this feature. Loop recording not only lets you record videos in a time frame of 3, 5, or 10 minutes, but you also don't have to worry about storage issues. As soon as the camera starts running low on storage, the advanced loop recording technology automatically starts deleting the older, unwanted recordings to make room for new videos. The Rexing V1 does come with a G sensor, which helps with the auto-saving feature by locking videos in the event of an accident or collision. But before you turn it on, make sure you set the sensitivity level to medium in order to avoid unnecessarily triggering the feature in minor road bumps. When it comes to low light performance, this is one of the most important key features where unfortunately most dash cams fail to perform. Luckily, the Rexing V1 does an excellent job here. Irrespective of whether the days are cloudy or it's nighttime, the video quality comes out exceptionally great in every condition, all thanks to the enhanced night vision technology packed onto this camera. The one and only thing we don't quite love about this camera is the LCD display that comes with it. First off, it's pretty small. The standard display size for most dash cams is 2.7 inches, where the Rexing V1 only has a 2.4 inch display. Also, the viewing angles are not the best. Side angle viewing is pretty much non-existent, with a clear view only from head-on angles. At number 2, we have the KD Lynx X1. The camera uses 6-class f1.6 lenses, which are commonly used by high-end manufacturers, making it a tough competition for other ruling manufacturers. The camera in itself is designed very well, and looks like most point-and-shoot cameras. Plastic is the major build component, with some chrome on the top and bottom. KD Lynx X1 comes equipped with G sensors, which again, immediately saves videos on the off chance your car meets with a crash and/or accident. A very important feature to have in case someone tries to tamper with the records. This also prevents important videos from being deleted automatically when storage is low. The X1 dash cam also has the loop recording feature, which means you can record your videos at intervals of 2, 3, and 5 minutes, which later makes it easy for you to navigate through videos. Loop recording also means that older, useless videos will be automatically deleted once the storage is full, making room for new videos. The video quality is absolutely stunning both in daylight and night. You can easily zoom into the minute details on the videos, and attain detailed information. If you are looking for a camera that can record audio alongside video, then the KD Lynx X1 is the best option for you. It is a good contender to the previously reviewed Rexing V1 in most aspects, and comparatively has an easier installation process. The only thing that might bother some users is that the GPS does not indicate accurate time on the videos. Even if you set up the time and date settings properly, it tends to reset to January 1st on the next day. So if date and time is an important detail for you, you're probably going to look to other options. At number 3, we have the Wheel Witness HD Pro. We were delighted to see that this camera pushes aside the traditional Novatech processor in favor of the more powerful and advanced Ambarella A7 processor, which results in effortless motion capturing and smooth video recording. The higher 1296 resolution is absolutely amazing. The videos recorded are very clear and the camera captures minute details very well. The dash cam also comes with an inbuilt microphone that records audio along with video and is quite good in quality. Remember, however, that high-resolution recording means faster storage drainage, so if you're going to record higher-resolution videos, make sure you get a 64 or 128 gig external SD card. The 3.0-inch LCD makes it easy to preview videos, but in case you want to view it on a bigger screen, you have the option to hook it up to your laptop with a USB cable that comes with the package. Like other popular dash cams, the Wheel Witness Pro comes with loop recording, so you don't have to worry about storage. The old videos are automatically deleted once the storage is full. However, if you don't want a specific video to be deleted automatically, then you can put a lock on it with a simple touch. The 170-degree lens, packed with WDR technology, helps in capturing wide-angle videos, along with the ability to control exposure, and compensate light and dark spots during one shot in the frame. The wide angle means regardless of where you mount the camera, it will still cover everything that you're seeing through the windshield, from left to right and vice versa. The G sensor comes integrated into the dashboard camera to automatically lock and save videos after any collision. The camera also comes with the option to add a GPS module, which would add date, time, and location to your videos. The instruction manual that comes in the package is a miss on a lot of information about the functionality of this dash cam. We'd advise manually going through the different settings and features available to give you a sense of what is possible with the camera. The dash cam comes with a 450 mAh lithium battery, which is pretty great when looking at what other dash cams have to offer. This isn't all that important, however, since the dash cam is only powered on when the ignition is on too, and can be powered directly through the charger that comes with it. And for our final pick at number 4, we have the Z-Edge Z3D Dash Cam. While most dash cams focus on recording what's ahead of you, the Z-Edge Z3 also records what's behind you, hence you can clearly capture just about everything in your car. This is made possible thanks to its 1080p recording resolution in both the front and rear cameras. The quality is far better than many dual cam models out there. If only the front camera is in use, it records at 1440p resolution, capturing excellent, crisp, and detailed images. The Z-Edge Z3D has a bright 2.7-inch display, which makes live viewing easy while driving. It also features an impressive dual-wide 150-degree viewing angle that captures all the surroundings when driving. This virtually eliminates blind spots in the field of view. The built-in GPS function keeps track of your car's physical location, the route and speed it's traveling at any given moment. This feature really comes in handy in the event of an incident. The footage can be used to speed up the potential insurance claim, or even used as evidence for the courts or the police. The cam also features a built-in G sensor, which can be particularly useful if your vehicle is involved in an incident. In case of a sudden impact, it locks the recorded footage to ensure it's not overwritten by any further footage you record. Loop recording is another powerful function this zero-edge dashcam boasts. When enabled, the dashcam continues to record even if the memory card reaches its full capacity, but automatically deleting the oldest files. The device supports up to 128 gigs of memory, however the TF card is not included in the package. You have to purchase it separately. The Zero-Edge Z3D incorporates the wide dynamic range technology, which makes all the difference in terms of lighting conditions. It simply balances contrast lighting for one clear image. In situations where the light is low, like nighttime, the cam adjusts accordingly to capture an extremely detailed video. Nighttime drivers and travelers can benefit greatly from this feature. Lastly, there is no doubt the Zero-Edge has upped its design game in the last few years. The Z3D not only looks classy, but feels sturdy and well made as well. So that sums up our top dash cams. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.